How to share your Bolt Ride and ETA. Hello everybody. If you guys also wonder how, in today's video we'll be guiding you through the process. So open up the Bolt application, and once you open it up, log in into your account, and you can just head over and request a ride as you usually do. So head over and do so. You should be finding this interface where you can tap on where to and start like type in your destination or select it on map and go ahead and request a ride as usual. You may just go ahead and tap on confirm destination once you've typed out your destination and book your ride as usual. After your ride is in progress, you can look out for share or share tip button, typically found at the bottom of the ride details screen, which should appear something like this. So you can look out for this option called safety toolkit as well if you do not find that option, and you'll be finding option called share ride details right under emergency assist. Look out for that option and you will be finding different options available. You'll have the option to share the trip via a link or through our messaging applications like WhatsApp or Messenger, and select your preferred method and share the generated link or message with the people that you want to track your ride. And then when the person that you've shared with taps on the right, they will be finding your real-time location on the ETA on a map. And that's it. So therefore, this is how you basically do it. This features allows friends and family to keep a track of your journey, knowing when you are expected to arrive, and provides you an extra layer of safety and peace of mind. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to share your Bolt Ride and ETA, you may head over and follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.